Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you're looking for a coconut oil to add to your pantry, then I want to show you this Nutiva coconut oil. This is a really nice coconut oil. It is organic and non-GMO, and it is a nice neutral flavored oil that you can use for a ton of different recipes. So I love to use this for all kinds of things. You can just use it in place of your cooking oil, or it's really nice in baking as well. I love to use it in the place of butter for a dairy-free option, and it works really, really well for that purpose. It does not leave a coconut flavor. It's very neutral. So again, you can use it in a ton of different recipes and it works super well. It also has a high smoking point, so you can use this when cooking at high temperatures and have a great result. So if you're looking for an organic coconut oil, I would definitely check out this one from Nutiva, and that's my point of view.